What if I told you that every single win in the Forex market is built on someone else's painful loss? That behind every success story is a silent victim, a trader who never saw it coming. This isn't just a market. It's a battlefield, and only those who understand the manipulation survive. Stay with me. What you're about to hear will change the way you see Forex forever. Welcome back to Rise from Zero, the place where real traders are born from truth, pain, and breakthrough. In this video, I'll reveal 7 dark truths that control every win and loss in the Forex market. The secrets no broker, no guru, no signal group will ever tell you. It's about shifting your perspective, seeing the market through their eyes. Once you do that, you'll start to notice patterns you've never seen before. Because once you understand how the game is really played, you'll stop being a pawn and start thinking like a king. Let's begin. They're the perfect trap, waiting to be sprung. You can position yourself not as the prey, but as a silent observer, ready to ride the wave they create. Even your emotional decisions, those panic sells and FOMO buys, they're all part of the grand design. A 30% win rate can make you rich if you control risk and ride the right wave. The pros know this. The retail crowd doesn't. The idea that successful traders win most of their trades is a myth. It's a comforting lie sold by those who want to keep you in the dark. And that's why they lose. But when they win big. And when they lose small. It's not about frequency, it's about magnitude. Forex was never created to make the average person rich. But once you learn to spot these clues, you'll be steps ahead of the crowd. You're up against titans of finance, institutions with billions at their disposal. The moment you revenge trade, over leverage, or FOMO, the institutions win. They use your psychology against you. Want to succeed? Fear, greed, hope. These are the weapons the market uses against you. Master your mind before you master the charts. To win, you need to become more than human. You need to master your emotions, to trade with the cold logic of a machine while maintaining the intuition of a seasoned pro. And that reversal that catches so many traders off guard, that's the trap closing. They're not playing the same game you are. They're playing chess while you're still learning checkers. The real game changer? A proven process that includes top-down analysis, liquidity zones, institutional footprints, and emotional discipline. That's your map from zero to domination. It wasn't random. That fake breakout that trapped so many traders? It was orchestrated. Too many traders get stuck in a cycle of endless learning, always chasing the next hot strategy or signal provider. To make you act impulsively, to cloud your judgment with fear or excitement. This isn't about finding a magic indicator or a foolproof strategy. It's about developing a holistic approach that considers all aspects of trading. Subscribe to Rise from Zero now. This is your digital blueprint to break free and finally master the markets. One strategy, one insight, one truth at a time. Are you prepared to shed your illusions and face the harsh realities of Forex trading? Because only then, only when you've stripped away all the lies and misconceptions can you truly begin to succeed. The big players? They're already positioned long before the news hits. But for those who persevere, for those who are willing to learn and adapt, the rewards are beyond imagination. Because in the world of Forex, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Liquidity zones to identify where the big moves will happen. Institutional footprints to track the smart money. Now it's time to decide. Will you go back to trading blindly, or will you join us on this journey of discovery and mastery? And most importantly, emotional discipline to execute your plan flawlessly. The dark truth is this: the Forex market doesn't care about your dreams, but we do. This channel was built for underdogs, people like you, who rise from nothing to everything. Until next time, stay vigilant, stay disciplined, and above all, stay hungry for the truth. Your journey to Forex mastery starts now. Subscribe. Comment the word dominate if you're ready to rewrite your trading story. And share this with a trader who is about to give up, because the truth might just set them free. When you over-leverage because you're sure this trade is the one, you're setting yourself up for disaster. It's survival. It's the difference between being the predator and being the prey, between dancing to someone else's tune and composing your own symphony of success. And when you jump into a trade because of FOMO, you're probably buying at the top or selling at the bottom. But for the impulsive, ever noticed how price spikes just before the news, only to reverse hard? That's manipulation in motion. By the time you react, the move is already over, and you're holding the bag. They're the foundation upon which you'll build your trading empire. But like any foundation, it's what you build on top that really matters. It was designed to transfer wealth from the many to the few. Your stop loss is their entry point. You need to understand the underlying currents that drive the market, because by the time the news is out, the real move has already happened. Your breakout trade? Their exit. You're not playing in a free market, you're dancing to their algorithm. They just need to land the right ones at the right time. That's how you should approach Forex. It's not about being right all the time. It's about maximizing your wins and minimizing your losses. There's a pause, letting that sink in. They leave footprints, imbalances, fake outs, liquidity sweeps. But here's the twist, they count on you not seeing them. Hit that like button, and let's go deeper. But here's the kicker, you can learn their rhythm. Think about it. Every time you place a trade, you're not just betting against other retail traders. It's targeted. You're the prey. The truth? To win, you must learn to trade like the predators, not against them. That's exactly how big players operate in Forex. They're not interested in small, random price movements. They're after big liquidity events. But don't lose hope. Understanding this truth is your first step towards real success. Banks and institutions don't chase prices. They hunt for liquidity pools. That means your stop loss, your pending order, even your fear-based decision. Imagine a lion stalking its prey. It doesn't randomly attack. It waits for the perfect moment, when the herd is most vulnerable. Your stop-loss orders? They're like a beacon in the night, signaling where the easy money is. Your pending orders? But here's where it gets interesting. Once you understand this, you can start to anticipate their moves. You've been lied to. Success isn't about being right every time. It's about being wrong smartly and winning big when it counts. This might be hard to swallow, but it's the cold, hard truth. In reality, even the best traders in the world might only win 40% or 50% of their trades. Think about it like a professional boxer. They don't need to land every punch. Smart money doesn't move prices randomly. Every push, every rejection, every spike is intentional. There's a cliffhanger tone as I continue. So, do you want to know how to spot them before they strike? The market is like a crime scene, and every move leaves evidence behind. The key is learning to read these clues. That sudden spike that triggered your stop loss. These are the footprints of smart money. They recounting on the fact that most traders are too focused on indicators and news to see what's really happening. Your worst enemy isn't the market. It's your emotions. This is perhaps the hardest truth to accept, but it's the most crucial. Your emotions are your biggest liability in this game. When you revenge trade after a loss, you're playing right into their hands. The institutions know this. They count on it. They design their strategies to exploit these very human weaknesses. Economic news is often a trap, not for the informed. The news isn't there to inform you. It's there to move you. That spike you see just before a major announcement, that's not insider trading. It's smart positioning. To win, you need to look beyond the headlines. Courses, signals, and mentors can guide you, but none can walk the road for you. Don't get me wrong. Education is crucial, but there's a difference between education and dependency. What you really need is a comprehensive system, a map that guides you through the jungle of the Forex market. Top-down analysis to understand the big picture. If this is opening your eyes, imagine what you'll learn next. Every win you chase leaves a shadow. Every loss you take carries a lesson. Remember, in the world of Forex, knowledge isn't just power. The truths we've uncovered today are just the beginning. So ask yourself, are you ready to see the market for what it really is? This isn't a journey for the faint of heart. It's a battle, a test of will and intellect. You've taken the first step by watching this video. You've glimpsed behind the curtain. The choice is yours. But remember, every moment you spend trading without this knowledge is a moment you're vulnerable, a moment the market can exploit. So don't wait. Don't hesitate. Take action now. Subscribe, share, and most importantly, apply what you've learned. This is Rise from Zero, signing off.